tomorrow then?
Huh.
So what we can do,
Those who were left, they can come
they can
for
come
the
now, and
demonstration.
all of us, you can also come and have a
Actually, most of the clinical part was covered today very nicely by Dr. Shazia and Dr. Afshan. So we will have tutorial demonstration. Can you give some place so that the recording goes on? ये बंद कर दीजिए, recording चल रही है। थोड़ा सा अफशा आगे आना। recording भी कर रहे हैं। और ये वो है, आप अब करिए।
This is Q pessary. Okay, so this is Q pessary. And the benefit of this pessary, this can be self-administered by patient whenever required. So it's an ideal situation for a younger patient who is sexually active. So before sexual intercourse, he can pull it out with the loop. So what do you do? The reason is it is very, very soft and pliable. So she can pinch it in any direction without harming the contours.
That means if the patient is sexually active, she should not use
Any other. Unless this one, because this is compatible with sexual intercourse, because it goes right up. So this one, she will just squeeze in any direction, it will not harm. Whatever way she can do. Only thing is the loop is underneath in the lower part. Like that. And then this is there. So when she wants to get it out, she can get it out easily without harming it. And it is very good quality. This is donut pastry. Patient, it is also self-administered for people with very large genital hiatus and very floppy vagina and obese patient. So it will go in and it will stay in, it will provide a lot of support. Any prolapse in vagina is very long and floppy. Yeah. This is poppy. It is exactly like shelf, but it is soft. So poppy and this is shelf. So it goes like that, always on the side. You keep going, you go like that, and then you adjust the knob and tell patient this knob is for her to manage. If it comes out or she's about to open her bowel, she can put her finger here. Otherwise, she will worry that it will come down because with large prolapses, it can come out up till now, up till quite out. So she can push it up. No, no. In order to remove, it will never come out unless you release the vacuum because it creates vacuum underneath. No matter how much you push, it will not come out. Never ever. This one, these two, you have to release the vacuum. You put one finger in the back and you just put your finger, slide all across it. Vacuum is released and then you tilt with the one side like that and always one knob comes out like that. Always. You never try to put because what will happen? You will have a tear of posterior portion. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, exactly. No, no. It is for people who have very roomy vagina, very, very large vagina. So it doesn't, and it produces just gives them some support to lift everything up. But I don't use this very much because this is usually for patient, mostly in America. This is too hard, but this is the best support. If I have to choose one pessary for clinical practice, I'll use this. For anything, For prosidentia, for wall prolapse, people who are not sexually active, my choice of pessary is this. Exactly, and very, very good support because this is soft, and with body temperature, it becomes softer, so it can slip out. But everybody knows in my department, this is my favorite pastry. So I've got all possible sizes, and this is the one which will never fall out. Will give good support and equally good quality. But estrogen cream is a must with this. Yeah. And sometimes what you can do, because estrogen is must with that, so there is a little tiny ring, like a ring pastry, but very thin ring, which is called e-string. So there is estrogen in a ring. So you put that first, and then you put this or any other pastry on the top. So that e-string will keep providing estrogen for 6 months, and it is sitting on the top of it. So that continuous supply of estrogen from that little ring, it will sort it out. So that is the best management. So she has two rings. One is very, very thin. It is as thin as this part of this pessary, like that. It is only small. So you put that first, and on the top you put this, and she is sorted for 6 months. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is a small size, so it comes in bigger size. So it is not for support. It is only for stress incontinence. Because the purpose is yeah, urethra. It is just for urethra. This part is there. Because this part goes up, and this is where they need urethra. Because the patient will do it herself. So if you think about it, so this will be here, and this part is where urethra is. So this will keep like a plug just under the urethra, like that. So this part is closing the urethra, and this is holding it up. So this part is only to hold it up with vacuum, and this is what's giving stent. And she can pull it out like that. It's very, very easy. By us, no ordinary baby ever has come. So before sex, they can pull it out, and they can then put it back up. And when they are about to achieve this, they can pull it out. This is for those who have stress incontinence. These two are, this is for stress incontinence or any incontinence. Yeah. Usually it's a bigger size, not this, it's a smaller size. This is self-centering the membrane. Yeah. So this is a small size, 57. Use that mostly for bigger sizes. It's a little postmenopausal men small introitus on the It is an option, alternative to surgery. If somebody is not fit for surgery or somebody wouldn't like surgery, then we use this. And it is one of the options because not every surgery is successful. Sometimes a guy has complication or we have done surgery in chest area. Then efficacy of this, I would say 80-90% will be happy if we have the right choice. But actually, first few visits is fit and try. We try various one and then we come to a point where we say, actually, I like this. Side effect friction bleeding, which can be confused with postmenopausal or pain or they can't accept. Yeah, these are the complaints. So, yeah, and they can be, no, she will just, when she is running, she will push it up.
वैसे ना जो मैंने पढ़ा था पहले कि मैं आगे कह रही हूँ उसमें ये भी कहा है कि रोज भी वॉश करते हैं हाँ यही तो सुनो शाजिया फ्राइडे का जल्दी वो ढाई बजे से
Attention, everyone. Thank you so much. I would now request you to please be seated. I now take this opportunity to thank Professor Seema Hakim ma'am for bringing life to the session with her demonstration and such illustrative lectures. And I would also take this opportunity to thank Dr. Afsha ma'am for taking time out for us and for explaining and clearing all our doubts. Thank you so much.